Gigi, I've decided not to leave this town. Maybe I can stay and find some other nice people who will like me and accept me for who I am.
Hey, everybody.
Trusting your spirit, yes.
Yeah, I'm still looking for that intro, but anyway, we'll see how it goes. When I get one, you know. So today is when we begin to design officially. Yeah, so without wasting any time, let's create a file. Let's 800. Oh my god. 800. Yep, this would work. So I had in mind we start by creating numbers. Let me say like would say 1. Let's make this a bit bigger, like let's try 45. Still too small. Let's increase it even a bit more, then make it into an uppercase. Yeah, let's try something like let's see, open sans. Yeah, this would work. How about a Lato? Yep, Lato looks better. So we create some little tracking. See, when you hold down Alt and these right arrow or left arrow keys, this is what happens. Excuse me. Oh my god. Excuse me. Oh my god. So we would just scale this a bit, copy it, remember, hold down Alt and drag, and we need something like a serif font. Let's see what serif fonts do we have. We have something like this. So what we'll do, or what I want you to do, is type in 1, the number, but we need something bold. So boom, there you go. What we're going to do is move these aside, hold down Alt, drag them, right click, create outlines, and then what you're going to do with this is merge it. Go down to the Pathfinder. If you can't find the Pathfinder, go down to Window, scroll until you see Pathfinder. Boom. So we unite that, select these. Let's try ungrouping them. Bring this one where there is N, I guess. Boom, like there. Stretch it out. So if I'm to select this, I want this space to be covered, yeah? So I could just move that, and yeah, I think we have it covered. Okay, so you could leave it like that, or you could do something more cooler like this. Select the 1 and N, then let's try dividing, I guess. Nope. What's that thing? Nope. I think it's not merge. Oh, we have some little space left. There is a tiny, see that? so you don't want that. So what you would do is, with your direct selection tool, select this point and nudge it there. Make sure everything is straight. Yeah, so I would select these two, 1 and N, go to the shape builder tool. You hold down Shift M. This is the shape builder tool. So I want to remove this part and this part and this part. So what I would do is hold down Alt and just select the parts I want to remove. But we have something like this, so we remove these two, and we have a few fixes. See this? Then we want this to be a perfect straight line. So what we do, select it, get your pen tool. When you see that minus, when you like scroll down a point, just click it, click it, click it. Get down here and remove all these points. This one, wherever you see a minus, but leave this one. Go to this one. Let's remove this one, I guess. Yep. And let's make this one straight by using the direct selection tool. And boom. It is 90 degrees. We could leave these like that and style them to make them look like 3D. Or we could just leave it like that. And ladies and gentlemen, you created your first number 1. I didn't say this was going to be short, but it's going to be short. So I figured maybe if we created numbers from 1 to 10, it would be awesome. I think if we were doing the what's that thing? Excuse me. So from 1 to 10, this would be awesome. So this is actually a nice way of coming up with ideas to design logos. So let me see if I had another example of a word like excuse me, elephant. Let's drag this out, put it like over there, right click, create outlines, or you could press and hold, press and hold Shift Ctrl O. Create outlines and group this, select the L. You see where I'm going with this? Move it down like over here, select this E, right click, transform, reflect. Let's move this over here, make sure it's facing the other side, press OK. Get your, what's that tool called, this rectangle tool, select this point to this point and create something like this. Boom. Select these two, align these two here, make sure it's, oh my god, you could just align it using the direct selection tool. Select this point, hold down space to move up, select this point while holding down Shift, and Yeah, so you could use the arrow keys, or you could just move it with the selection tool while holding on shift. Oh my, I just messed up. Hold down shift and boom. I think it's not yet aligned. Selection tool, direct selection tool, hold down shift, move it over there, and let's group this, or you could just merge them and move it a little bit over there. And that, my friends, is how you create an elephant. This is like a trunk. I think you could make this a bit longer depending on the age of the elephant. Yeah, so that's it for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll make sure I answer any questions I can, and answer those that I can't. I will just say I can't answer this. No, I'm kidding, I'll answer them. So keep being awesome and hit that like button. Bye. See you when I see you.